How to uninstall and reinstall LinkedIn app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the app list of your device over here and then make a long press on the LinkedIn application. Then here you can see the option of uninstall that pops up. So just tap on uninstall and it will give you a pop-up that if you really want to remove and uninstall this application. So tap on uninstall and you can see the app has been gone and removed. So now in order to reinstall, all you have to do is just go to the Play Store application and then on the search bar just search for LinkedIn application, and here you'll be able to see the option of install. So tap on install and it will start installing on your device. So just make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So just wait until it gets installed on your device. Now as the app has been installed, you just have to tap on open, and as you tap on open, it will lead you to the home page of the LinkedIn application on your device, and it will start showing its user interface. So you just have to wait for a while as it's installed. So here you can see this is the home page. Now you can agree and join or continue with Google or continue with Facebook or sign in. So since we already have an account, we can just tap on sign in, and as we tap on sign in, you can just select your Gmail account over here. After tapping on the email ID that you have associated with LinkedIn application, here you can see you have logged into your LinkedIn account. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.